For Intec, a huge amount has changed over the last 8 years. The acquisition by Plugmatic 2 years ago has seen us grow into extra markets, but it's seen a huge amount of R&D come in, and we probably wouldn't have been able to develop 11 different new products for drupa without the R&D and investment coming from Plugmatic's R&D team in Sweden. And we've developed a lot of extra sustainability functions. In fact, a number of our cutters can run off solar generators, just 100 watt or 200 watt power packs, and will run all day, and we don't actually need to be plugged in, because they're really gunning for the solar market, or not the solar market, but the energy efficiency badge. So in the last 8 years, tons changed. Intec has moved from being a supplier of printers into a major force in packaging and labeling systems. And a lot of that's been due to the merger with Plugmatic and the extra funds and investment and development that they've really brought on board. This is a cost-effective label cutter for the entry-level customer. It delivers SRA3 with an automatic feeder that will use stepper motors to load the sheets. It uses the standard color cut QR codes and marks that you've seen on all of the other devices that we do, and it will cut sheet labels for you. It comes in at around about £1,500, which makes it a very, very cost-effective label cutter. So expanding the range further, we've also introduced the LC700 we see here. Now this is a hybrid cutter and a modular cutter, and we believe it is really quite unique. It introduces our 7-inch display that's on a number of the other cutters, and the ability to load the jobs directly into the cutter. But what it also does that is quite unique is when most people start cutting labels, they're thinking about sheets. But as your label business grows, what you really want to do is have the ability to be able to expand to roll label production. So the LC700 that you saw there can literally be dropped into the LF700 frame. This turns it into possibly one of the industry's first modular sheet label and roll-to-roll label cutting systems. This is truly aggressively priced and gives you the serious benefit of being able to run it in roll-to-roll mode, exactly as we're running it here, with an outer diameter of up to 350 millimeters, which is a truly huge roll size. However, you often have customers coming to you saying, "Can you give me a proof?" Well, it's very difficult to proof if you've got a roll-to-roll cutter, but not with the LCF700. Open the tray here, and when you haven't got a roll loaded, you can simply open the exit tray between these rollers here, load your sheets, and run sheets for doing proofs or for doing short runs of sheets. Once you've finished doing your sheets, or your customers approve the proof, close the tray, load your roll of media, and off you go again. It allows up to a 350 millimeter diameter roll. It also allows lamination, so you can add scratch resistance or waterproofing to your labels. It includes a matrix rewind system that will automatically remove the waste matrix from your rolls, and up to a 6-blade slitting system that will allow 7 mini rolls to be cut out of a major roll. Plus, it has an auto tracking system that, as labels will naturally kind of like move in a run, will automatically adjust for you to ensure that you're straight. And what's more, it has an amazingly attractive price of under £15,000.